I'm Daniel Simon, and I am a comprehensive ophthalmologist who specializes in cataract and refractive surgery at North Carolina Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat as part of Duke Health. I see patients pretty much starting school age and all the way up through senior citizen age patients. North Carolina Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat has been around for over 100 years, and as a practice I have patients today whose grandparents came to the founders of this practice years ago. So for North Carolina Eye, Ear, Nose, and Throat individually, we have that sort of history here that patients are very comfortable with. They know us, their families know us. To me, it's really important that patients have a complete understanding of the conditions that we're here to address and what sort of tools we have at our disposal, the things we can do, and honestly the things that we can't do. And I think that having that level of open and honest conversation with a patient is helpful for us all to have reasonable expectations and to do everything we can to meet those expectations. To have a patient in front of us who is having significant difficulties with their vision in ways that impact their ability to do the things that they want to do and need to do on a daily basis, and to be able to do something for them that restores their vision, oftentimes better than it was before in a very short period of time, is incredibly gratifying.